In this video, I'm going to teach you a very quick tutorial on how to turn on or off airplane mode or flight mode in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also use your keyboard, press Windows key and I key together. In that way, you'd be able to open the settings window. Now here at the settings, please proceed to the left pane and find for an option which is day network and internet. Click on that one. And here at the network and internet, you'll get to see airplane mode next to mobile hotspot. Please click on here. Once you've tapped it, you'd be able to see this kind of window. So from that, please navigate to the airplane mode. There you can see a switched option. Please navigate and if you'd like to turn it on, then click on the switch to turn it on. Once you've done it, you'd be able to turn on the airplane mode. So if you would like to stay your Wi-Fi on even in airplane mode, you can turn this on as well. And if you would like to stay your Bluetooth on even in airplane mode, you can click on the switch on as well. Okay. So on the contrary, if you would like to turn off or disable the airplane mode, just have to navigate to the switch here, turn it off. In that way, you'd be able to turned off your airplane mode. Okay? So once you're good, close this window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good one.